Mango.
100 years from today, you, me, the people watching this video right now, their neighbors' dogs, we all be dead and gone forever. Every one of us. It's like forgotten names, faded faces, but art still lives in open places. And that's exactly the prime objective of this video, is to tell you why it's so important to go outside and paint.
Hey folks, welcome back to yet another video on watercolor. It's around 5:30 in the morning and I'm out trying to paint something beautiful. Come, talk to the location.
So why it's so important to go outside when you can sit in your studio in your comfort zone and paint? It's because plein air paintings captures something real, a moment of light, a feeling, something alive right in this very moment. Painting outside is an excuse that you give to the world to enjoy your life. It's not because you want to achieve something, but to enjoy the moment, your surroundings. Today I'm stepping out again, just me, my sketchbook and the world outside. But this time it's a bit different, because you are coming with me. Every time I pack my watercolor bag and get ready to go out, there is a part of me that wonders, why not just paint at home? The table is ready, the lights are good, everything is comfortable. But deep down I know the moment you step outside, your art becomes alive. It's not just about change of place, it's about change of presence. You stop inventing and start observing. You stop guessing colors and start feeling them. When you walk out with your sketchbook, you begin to see beauty in things you normally ignore. You feel the significance of insignificant things, like a reflection on water, an old wall, a quiet corner, rusty metal. Like faded horizon, gloomy sky, broken bottles and the frogs jumping high. In short, you are living in the moment, which is the actual purpose of life. And that's the first gift of painting outdoors. It trains your eye to see. Photography captures what's visible, but painting outside captures what's felt. Every little thing, the temperature of the air, the hum of people passing by, the smell of dust and rain, it all seeps into your painting somehow. You realize art isn't made in isolation, it's made in connection with light, with air, with life around you. Choosing a spot to paint is quite a dialogue between you and the world. What's calling your attention today? Maybe it's the glow of sunlight on water, the atmosphere between you and the mountains, the stillness on water, the innocence of the boatman, or the simplicity of village life. Look for what really inspires you. Today, this frame inspired me the most. Few houses amidst nature. The world offers endless subjects, but when you paint outdoors, you start to notice that you are not choosing randomly. You're drawn to something that mirrors how you feel inside. That's another reason why outdoor painting matters. It connects your inner world to the outer one. Painting on location is humbling. The light changes every minute, people stare, the wind blows your paper, you feel awkward, things don't go your way, and yet that's exactly why it's powerful. You learn to let go of control. You learn to paint what matters instead of chasing every little detail. When you are outside, you don't have time to overthink. You make faster decisions. Your stroke becomes more confident, more honest. In fact, you paint with instinct, not fear. And that's when real growth happens. Not inside your comfort zone, but under the open sky when you are fully present in the moment. The more you paint outside, the more you understand light. Photos flatten light, but real world breathes it. You slowly understand shadows aren't black, they are blue, violet, green, etc. Slowly but surely your art carries more truth. Not perfect lines, but everything will make sense for sure. Because you understand nature is your best teacher. Trust me guys, something beautiful happens when you go outside and paint. Time disappears. The noise in your head goes quiet. You start breathing your own surroundings. Painting becomes meditation. The worries, the stress, the expectations, they all melt away. And what's left is just this. A simple moment between you and nature. When I look at what I painted, I realize it's not the exact copy of the place or the scene I'm looking at. It's a reflection of how the place felt, an impressionistic approach, and that is why I call myself a watercolor impressionist, not really a photorealistic artist. The warmth of sunlight becomes the warmth of your colors. The cool breeze becomes your soft washes of blue. The entire moment, the entire memory gets sealed inside the paper. It's something no photograph can ever give you. Every time I go out and paint, I become a little different, a little more patient, a little more awake. So I'm done with the sketch, but not really happy with it. So I'm gonna go home, do it again, till then it feels better inside, which I'll show you in a bit. When you look back at your life, you will realize something very simple. Every beautiful thing you have ever achieved happened outside your comfort zone. Cause growth never came from staying safe. It came from stepping out, showing up and daring to try. So go out, paint, let the world see your courage in color. Out there, your art grows faster than your fears. Out there is where you meet the version of yourself you have been searching for ages. And out there is where your real story begins. Life happens only once, so live it with open hands and open heart. In the end, it's not about how long we lived, but what pieces of ourselves we left behind. Trust me, you are not here to stress over stupid little things. You are here to paint, dance, eat good food, enjoy life. Alright folks, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, keep sketching, and go out somewhere, sit quietly, and just observe. Look at my condition, guys. What have I done to myself? What am I doing?